Withdrawing money from your Instacart account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Look for the account or settings section to find payment options. Step 3. Link your bank account. If you haven't already linked your bank account, select the option to add a payment method. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number, to ensure a successful transfer. Step 4. Request a withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, go to the Earnings or Payouts section of your account. Choose the option to withdraw funds and specify the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and bank account information. Confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. You may receive a notification once the funds are on their way to your bank account. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the deposit and allow some time for processing.